Hello everyone, this video demonstrates how to use the IFERROR function. When do you need this function? Let's see an example. We have over here 3 quizzes we would like to average. So I'm going to start with the equal sign, the average function, double click it. I'm going to select the 3 quizzes, Control Enter to finalize and stay in the same cell. And I'm going to double click to bring down the formula. And then I find that I have division by 0. This is what this error, it says divide by 0. Why is it divide by 0? I have 3 scores that are actually missing here. So how is the average function working? If I have, for example, 80 plus 90 plus 100, I'm going to divide by 3. But if I have no score, or what is going to happen is you're going to divide by 0. Now, if you don't have a missing score, that's all right. You still have 2 scores. So 93 plus 94, you divide by 2. Okay, if I put a 0 here, then it will be basically 93 plus 94 plus 0 divided by 3. But if there are 3 missing scores, then you try to divide by 0. So let's see how we can override this. So what we'll try to do to avoid the division by 0, I'm going to surround my function with the IFERROR function. So IFERROR, if we have an error, let's get more help. I'm going to click on the f of x symbol over here to get more help. And then I do not want to be in the average function, but I want to go to the IFERROR function. So my mouse goes here in the formula bar and I click on IFERROR. Now I see that the value is average. So if there is an error in the average function, what happens? What I want to do is simply display a message. So for example, I want to put missing all 3 quiz scores. Now this message should be surrounded by quotes because it's a message, it's a label. It's not something that Excel recognizes, but if I click out of it, Excel would put the quotes for me. And then I simply push OK, and I double click it, and now this is fixed. So this demonstrates simply how to use the IFERROR function, and you can use not only division by 0, but with other Excel errors.